Hello, today I will show you a method you can use to fix your Microsoft Store if it is not working or if you cannot install new programs. First, go to the Start or Search menu and type Microsoft Store. Right-click on the store and click App Settings. Then first Terminate, then Repair. After that, go to the Search menu again and type Services. MSC, then here go to Microsoft Storage Services SMP. Double-click to open the options and make sure it is set to Automatic, then click Start. After this, right below, double-click on Microsoft Install Store Service and make sure it is also set to Automatic, then click Start or Restart. Now try opening your Microsoft Store and enjoy installing new applications. If this didn't solve your problem, you can try the Windows Powershell commands I have shared below. Just open Windows Powershell as administrator and paste the command.